What's up, everyone? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And in the previous video, we showed you that we picked up this Milwaukee M18 brushless tool combo in a pack-out case for an unbelievable price. The only issue with it didn't come with any drop-in organization, like a plastic insert or foam organization to keep the tools organized and not rattling around inside this big empty box. Well, we have a solution for that, and it's coming right up. So what we have inside this box is a 24-inch by 48-inch by 57-millimeter piece of kaizen foam. And what it is that it's a layered foam. It's going to allow us to quickly and inexpensively organize this box, keep all the tools in order, and also it's a custom solution because we're going to fit it to exactly what we need. The width of this box is right around 20 inches by, we're looking at like 13 3/16. 13 3/16. And what you'll do is you'll hold and you'll make your cut. It will snap loose. Boom. Mark our foam at the 20-inch mark, the top, 20-inch mark at the bottom. So at this point, we have a couple obstacles. We have an obstacle here at the front, on the sides, maybe here at the back. It juts out right around the 4 1/8 mark. And then it juts back in at the 9 1/4 mark. We'll make a mark at 4 1/8 and 9 1/4. And then we're going to go to our other side, 4 1/8. They stick out 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Okay. And we have all our marks. And cut down. Square as possible. We need to tackle this up front here. I just want to make a mark at the 2 spots. And as you can see, just about 3/4 inch. It's 8 9/8. Okay, so we're going to transfer that mark up to here, 8 9/8. Okay, we'll do the same thing on the other side, 3/4 inch in. Now, we need to get these corners off at the back so that our kaizen foam will slip into place. Easiest, fastest way to do that is to hold it in place, okay, where the box starts to turn, and make your mark. All you're going to do is transfer your mark on the corners, cut it off. At the back, you can push down. Okay, we have our indentation. We cut down into the foam, and then that will peel out. Our foam is beginning to slide in. At this point, I'm liking the idea of tucking it in because it's going to hold the foam tighter. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to best situate your tools to take advantage of the kaizen foam. Once you've figured all that out, you'll remove what you're not going to be cutting and then trace around your tools. I use this black Sharpie. Fast Cap actually sells a long-nosed marker or pen that helps you to get into these tight spots. Let's get to cutting. Now, the deepest spot on the tool is this battery. So you'll probably need to go deepest here to get the tool to sit flat. Once you cut your outline, you start to peel away your kaizen foam. And just continue to keep going until your tool is fully seated in its space. I would suggest cutting tighter around the tool as opposed to looser. It might take a little bit more effort to get the tool out of the case, but it will loosen up over time. If you wanted to make these battery wells a little bit deeper, down here, it could allow for a bigger battery. We're gonna make those a little tighter. And boom, there you have it. Nicely organized, brushless combo kit in a pack-out box. And if you like nicely organized, brushless M18 Milwaukee tools combo kits, nicely organized in a pack-out box, then smash the like button. Also, if you're not already, consider getting subscribed and tapping the bell. Why do you want to consider getting subscribed? Because we do awesome things like make custom Kaizen inserts, show you how to do it so you can stay as organized as we are. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. I hope you find this video helpful. We'll see you all on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.